The Poo Files.
Poo Files open.
Rāpoka. They're sea lions indigenous to Aotearoa and they're true poo artistes. Rāpoka can poo in grey, white, black or clay colour. They can poo in blobs, stacks or even in the shape of a soft serve ice cream. What if they do sprinkles on that?
Fart facts.
Horses, they're frequent farters. Why? They eat lots of hard-to-digest plants. They also have extraordinarily long colons, meaning lots of time for lots of gas to build up. Look out! I think she's gonna blow!
Burning question. What did humans use for toilet paper before toilet paper was invented? Place your bets.
Know your pee.
Cow urine. It's highly prized in India as a pesticide. Farmers spray it on cotton crops to get rid of pink bollworm insects who eat the plants. They also use it to feed extra minerals into their soil. I call that liquid gold.
Burning question. What did we use for toilet paper before toilet paper was invented? Early humans used dried grass, leaves, small rocks, shells and twigs to take care of business. No, thank you! Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files closed.